Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. So today I thought I would cook a little something, making a rack of lamb. Now what I'm going to do to cause myself more aggravation is half of this I'll cook in the stove, in the oven, pan fry, sear off the top part and then in the oven for like I think 20-30 minutes at 375. The other 4 bones, 4, I'm going to cook on the stove top. Now I know with lamb chops you can get really fancy. You have your mint sauce and all sorts of different crusting on it and so on, some mustard or whatever. We're going very, very simple with just some pepper and some salt. Nothing fancy today. That's a generous amount, I guess. Always, this is salt, always salt everything, always, season the entire protein. I'm using this pepper I purchased at one of the Asian markets. Okay. We're going to sear off some of the fat on the lamb chop and then whack it in the oven for, like I said, 20 to 30 minutes till it gets to the appropriate temperature. Okay, the oil is hot. I've seasoned these guys up. Drop into the pan. So first in the fry pan, the singles were all fried up with some Brussels sprouts, okay, or baby Brussels sprouts. And then the rack that was in the oven, I believe, is done. And now I let it rest, and of course a lot of the juices will come out. Got my trusty knife out there, slice this baby up, and let's see how close to done or raw it really is. Ta-da! Now some people will say that it's overdone because a lot of folks like their lamb on the pink side, but let's give it a bite. Tastes good to me. Hey, for my first time cooking a rack of lamb, I think I did okay. Here's one that I cooked, in the fry pan, in the stove, so on. Cut this baby up. Tastes fine also. So this one, if you can see it, is a bit more pink than the edge was. And voila, there we go. Brussels sprouts, some good old rice, a couple of lamb chops right there. Delicious. Let's try these Brussels sprouts. Not bad. Overall, an interesting experience. The lamb chops are quite expensive. It's like 19 bucks a pound for these things. I had like a pound and a half, and it was $18.50 a pound. I had a pound at 1.58 pounds. It's like 30 bucks for this thing. So it's kind of pricey. Ta-da! So hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Rack of lamb. All right, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. And go buy some lamb. It's tasty. Later.